I'm Nat. Today we're now going to do question 5 on Specimen Paper 1 on the MAT. This question is quite surprising because we are now talking about a new system of music theory. Earthly only has 2 notes. I have no problems with accepting a new system of music theory, only to do math with it. And look, there are 3 rules to create Martian music. Write down 4 songs on length 6. So there is the null song, yes, the song with 0 notes, and then we will have 2 songs on length 2, xy, and we can interchange yx. So this means we can repeat these 2 songs twice inside x and y, x, xy, xy, x, xy, xy, y, and xy, xy, xy. As a composer, I feel like we are now talking about, so we repeat, so we have an introduction, we have A, we have section A, and then we have section A again, and then we have a coda, which is Y. Very interesting song structure. And then we will write down another 2 songs on length 6, which just happen to be interchanging Y the axis, there, it's done. Show that in their K songs on length M, then there are 2 K songs on length 2M plus 2. What is this trying to tell us? This means that let's call our song big S. And then us we can have X, S, S, Y. And since there are K songs in this category, and then we can interchange Y, and then we denote S prime to be all the songs with X and Y interchange. So X, X, S, Y, and Y, S prime, X. So there are K in each batch. So it's 2K. So now we're going to talk about 2 centuries later in the Martian later period. The song ended in Y, then a sequence of notes obtained by omitting that Y. Oh. So like there are K songs length M that deduce for each natural number that 2 N songs of length 2N plus 1 minus 2. So we had 1 song of length now, 2 songs of length 3, and then we are now going to write 2n plus 2. Let's write a table. 0, 1, 1, 2, and then we had 2n plus 2, 2, 2. Wait, there are 0 songs of length 1. Seems like the Martians are stated with even numbers. 4, and then 2 times 2. 2 times 0 plus 2 is 2, and then 4. Hey, this is very surprising. 0, and then we have 6, and then we are now going to take away this for 8, 0, and then you realize that the songs which have things are only with length 14, with only 2, 6, 14, and so and the like, which will give us 2 or 8. So this means the only songs, let's write this, only song lengths in the Martian plus equal period are of the form 2 to the power of n minus 2. Hence, there are 2 to the power of n minus 1 songs of this form. Got this. Now we move on 2 centuries later to the Martian later period. What lengths do songs of the later period have? That is, for which natural numbers n is there a song with exactly n notes? Justify your answer. Firstly, it's any natural number. Let me show you. So we have the null song with only 1 note, but however we have a song of length 1, which is, let's go down, 1, and then we have the song x, 2, x, y, yx, and then 3, you can put 4, x, x, y, y, x, y, x, 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 y, and y, 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 x. Beethoven. Wait, this is Beethoven here. Weird. This is seriously weird. This is getting weird. Come on, we have 3, like song length 3, and then we have a song of length 5, because we are going to add. Yeah, this is very funny. First we do the song of length 6. Then we will have x, x, y, x, 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 y, x, y, y, and X, Y, X, Y, X, Y, and Y, Y, X, Y, Y, X, X, and Y, X, Y, X, Y, X. And then we have 5, and then we are now going to omit a Y, X, X, Y, X, Y, and X, Y, X, Y, X. As you can see, the Martians are much more flexible in this. And so, if we can omit a Y from any song, we can have songs that spill to all natural numbers, lengths. Well, wasn't that interesting? Now imagine the possibilities with 3 notes, or 4, or 5, or even more. Okay, see you.